Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your YouTube account to your TV. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you need to find the YouTube app on your TV. But if you don't have a smart TV, unfortunately, you won't be able to see YouTube in there. Okay? Either you would go ahead and purchase a Fire Stick or some other casting device. Okay? So in here, tap on YouTube. Wait for it. As you can see, we have a ton of options right here. For example, sign in with your phone. So if you want this option, just scan the QR code right here and it will then open up your YouTube account. Just wait for a pop-up, okay, to continue with the login process. Now, if you just want to log in as using your remote, well, you can select this option and then go ahead and type down your email manually. Okay? So for example, I'm going to use this option right here. Give me a moment. And then just basically tap on next at the very top. And after that, go ahead and enter your password. Once your password is entered, again, just tap on next. All right, as you can see here, there will be a confirmation that needs me to tap on my phone. So just tap on yes, it's you, or yes, it's me. Okay? And then just wait for it to load. There you have it. As fast as that, you can now then go ahead and select from one of your YouTube channels, okay? So for example, your account got a ton of channels. Well, just go and select one from here. All right, that is it. That's how simple it is to connect your YouTube account on a smart TV. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.